Hello there and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to create a bootable Windows 10 USB drive. Let's see how to do this. I will use a third-party software which is called Rufus to create a bootable Windows 10 USB drive. First of all, insert the pen drive which you want to make bootable. Then double click on the Rufus software and open it. The Rufus software will open. You can see your inserted bootable device is showing at the top option. You do not have to change any of these settings. Just click on the ISO image option if it isn't selected. Then click on this option to select an Windows 10 image file. Just select the Windows 10 image file from the appropriate folder. Now your pen drive is ready to be bootable. Click on the Start button. A pop-up window will open which is a warning all data on your bootable device will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. Now the process is started. This will take some time. That's it. Your bootable Windows 10 USB drive is ready for use. That is how you can create a bootable Windows 10 USB drive. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.